Nolita finds out that Chuma gave Tenjiwe money. She fights with Tenjiwe, demanding her husband's money. Chuma ends up throwing money at her, telling her to get a brain BBL. Velaphi takes off her frustrations on Siyamthanda. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So Tenjiwe was involved in a car accident with Chuma's hearse. Chuma wasn't happy because he sort of like got delayed. He was supposed to deliver a parcel. And Tenjiwe, panicking, says that she will use the money that Chuma gave her to fix the bumper, the car. Nolita finds out ukuthi Chuma gave Tenjiwe money and she's not happy about it, saying mina broke as your wife when you're busy giving abantu imali yakho. And then she goes to the salon to look at everything that Tenjiwe did with the money that she got from Chuma, demanding ukuthi imali kamyeni wami lena, you must not forget ukuthi umyeni wami lo lala kwesami isifuba. Tenjiwe is like, but he's my brother first. Then they end up wanting to fight. Uneli had to come between them, saying, hey, ikelani msana ngayo eniwenzayo. And then Nolita works in on Chuma and Paraboy, talking good how they're swimming in money. Nolita lost it, saying everyone in Esihlahleni is bragging about the money vela kuwe, but mina as your wife ni broke, I don't even have a cent. I don't even get a cent from you. That's what Chuma says, and I'm stressed about my car when are you here worrying about money. If it's money you want, na imali tate Nolita. Starts throwing money at Nolita, saying that maybe she can just go and get a brain BBL because mhlawumbe angakwazi ukukhuluma noma ucabanga sense. Wacasa ukunolitha, you throwing money at me like a dog. Ungiphosa imali njengenja. And then ugogo kaVelaphi wants to have a braai and celebrate my results kaVelaphi. uVelaphi still hasn't told his family about my results wakhe ukuthi akawatholanga because he owes fees. Now family ufuna ukwenza braai and he can't come clean. He goes over to Siyamthanda to talk to her. Siyamthanda tells her to ask Chuma, but he's like, nope, I'm not accepting anything from Chuma. After 6 cuts over prideless, you just need to tell them the truth. As who are you to talk to me about the truth? When the person who lied about her virginity, I ended up having to pay money for inkomo just because you couldn't tell the truth. Was wamgena Velaphi taking all his emotional frustrations go Siyamthanda. Siyamthanda was not happy about that at all. Ujafta told to Velaphi, saying as this anger is going to get you into trouble, let's come blow off some steam. Then they went and pushed him to do boxing and get off the steam because it was not healthy to be holding on for so much. Siyamthanda goes live and exposes mother for being broke and not paying her bills. Mother is not free to walk around manje so bhacile telling Tenjiwe she's broke, she cannot even do her hair. Tenjiwe thinks she's lying because how are you broke when you are busy appearing on my TV udla plat? And then Oneli goes out on a date with this man, and this man is now saying that they must go out for dessert, they must leave the place and eat dessert in private. Oneli is like, how kanjani ba, because we're still getting to know each other. And Nolita witnesses this. I'm sure he's going to expose this guy or or do something to expose their relationship. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.